this.
1 minute, 1 minute. Riju, my next question. Nikhil, 1 minute. Nikhil, 1 minute. Riju, today,
Yes,
1 minute. Today, Mamata Banerjee
Arnab, I think you have to help them out.
has serious objections with what the Election Commission is doing. Allow me 1 minute. Now, today she has serious objections with what the EC is doing. Now, if you allow me to respond in a slightly detailed manner and understand what I'm saying. She was the beneficiary of the same process in 2011. In 2011, she said that I want a multi-phased election. And she said, went on record and said, I'm so proud of the Election Commission for a multi-phased, elaborate election. Today, she's criticizing the same process she was a beneficiary of in 2011. Secondly, ahead of the 2004 Lok Sabha election, the Election Commission of India had issued transfer orders to police officers in Bardhaman, Kolkata and Nadia. Okay? In April 2011, she was celebrating when the Election Commission served a show cause notice to CPM leader Anil Basu for his statements against Mamata Banerjee. She was celebrating, she said, this is the real Election Commission, I am so proud, I feel safe, I feel protected. The same Election Commission does the same thing 10 years later and she says it's a political puppet. Makes no sense, you know what I mean? You think people don't remember?
Can I answer?
You think people will forget?
Can I answer? Arnab,
No, people are not fools. No. Do you want this election to be like the panchayat election?
Let me know when I can answer.
Do you think I have forgotten what happened in the panchayat election? Parties were not allowed to file nomination. 17 parties held a sit-in protest.
Arnab, the
They
BJP
were not
spokespersons
allowed
are
to
there.
file nomination.
Let them talk like this. Now, why are you?
No, I am asking you the question.
You be
You tell
unbiased
me,
as
is it
usual.
true
Why
or not that
you are-
17 parties
We
protested
have
because
already
they were not
said
allowed
at
to
the
file
receiving
nomination?
end of the culture of violence
Can I
unleashed by the
answer?
TMC
Can I
goons.
answer, Arnab?
We have always
Can I
been
answer,
at the
Arnab?
receiving end. Now they have started.
Can I answer,
Now
Arnab?
that is an extent.
Arnab, can I answer? Can I answer?
Yeah, please answer my
Arnab,
first
can I
question
answer? Please
first.
Let me know when I can answer.
That you were the beneficiary of the same
So-
things you are criticizing now in 2011. Answer it was a very specific question. The least you can do is give me a very specific reply.
I'll give you a very specific answer. The very specific reply is, have you seen the Supreme Court's verdict today against the Goa government, where they tried to pull a fast one by giving additional charge to their own incumbent, bureaucrat as the election commissioner? So that is why when BJP and the central government infiltrates the EC and makes sure that they dance to their tune, we have to raise question on the EC. The people who were there in 2011 are not there in the EC right now. That is a very specific answer I have given to you. Have you seen the Supreme Court verdict on the Goa issue? So this is what BJP has done. BJP has compromised every state
shallowness of your
machinery in
reply.
CAG, Supreme Court, agencies like CBI, every
See, they have
constitutional
compromised
authority
every
of our
state
country
machinery in this country.
attacked by
Every
you
state
deliberately.
machinery.
The moment you
Arnab, I
realize-
will ask you a straightforward question.
You know.
Notices are being served to the TMC mass leaders. Why is
No.
Mukul and Shubhendu Adhikari, who are still pending CBI investigation,
Look.
why their cases are shelved? Why are they shelved? Why they are not served notice in this election season?
If
Why
it can
only
be
TMC people are
substantiated-
served notices? They are also, their
You
investigation
want
is also
notices
ongoing.
to be
If it
served
can be-
as and when you
Oh,
like
because
it.
they have joined BJP, it cannot
No,
be
you want
substantiated.
notices to be served as and when you want it.
No, then why only
You want
only
notices
ask?
to be served at your
No,
pleasure.
then why only ask?
Are you privy to
Arnab,
the
Why? Who says
investigations
only you?
which are going on?
Arnab,
Are you
the
privy
says
to the
only
investigation is going on
investigations
for
which are
5
You want
going on?
investigations
The
to be put on hold
investigation
during
is going
election
on for 5
season.
years. Why serve them
You want
now
elections to be
during
put on
election
hold during
season?
election season.
No, why?
No,
Shubhendu
you
is
want
not-
no investigation in election season.
Then I think CBI
No,
should be
you want
fair.
all
would like to
elections to
raise
stop
another
during
point.
election season.
CBI
I want
should
to
be
ask you a
unbiased.
counter. I want to ask you a counter.
CBI should be
I want to
unbiased.
ask you a counter.
Yes.
You asked me a question, no? Now prepare for my counter.
Yes.
Now listen to me.
Yes.
Listen to me, Riju,
Yes, please.
and don't get nervous. It is all right.
This is
You
a
are on the
debate
losing
between
side
Riju
of
Datta and
today's debate.
Arnab
It's okay.
Goswami,
You
not
can't win
TMC
all
and
debate.
BJP anymore, I guess.